they picked you.
You don't seem happy.
I am. You deserve it.
Thanks. I mean, it's not the prize, but still pretty cool, I guess.
Where's your earring?
Oh, I don't know. It must have fallen out.
I'll give you another one.
Oh, no, don't worry about it.
Don't worry, it's just a shiny rock.
I don't want another one. We need to talk about the pact.
Are you serious? You don't want to
You
keep the pact now that you're
when
ranked
you know
higher than
that.
me, but you were fine with it when you're at the
It's
bottom.
not about that. I'm just trying to be realistic.
Since when? You think you can fuck your way to stardom and that's gonna make you high class?